Let's now talk about tokenization. International Payment System, or SWIFT, has crossed a threshold 9 months in the making in its blockchain bet on tokenization. SWIFT, the Brussels-based cooperative and the backbone connecting more than 11,500 banks across over 200 countries, has activated a blockchain-based shared ledger, and 17 banks spanning 6 continents are now lining up to move real money on it. The roster reads like a who's who of global banking. ANZ, BNB Paribas, BNY, Citi, DBS, First Abu Dhabi Bank, First Hand, HSBC, Itaú Unibanco, Lloyds, Mashreq, MUFG, OCBC, Standard Chartered, UBS, UOB, and Wells Fargo. That's not an experiment. That's institutional consensus. Here's the mechanics. Now, the ledger isn't a payments network itself. It's a software coordinator that records and validates banks' payment commitments to each other, while final interbank settlement still happens through conventional rails like RTGS or correspondent banking. That means banks keep their compliance and risk controls intact, but customers get something new that they now have the ability to move funds overnight and on weekends when traditional systems go dark. Why now? Because SWIFT isn't moving alone. JP Morgan, Bank of America, Citibank, Barclays, BNY, and Wells Fargo, they're all separately building a tokenized deposit network through the clearing house, targeting a first half 2027 launch. Meanwhile, NSYSC has partnered with Securities on tokenized stocks, and ICE is planning a 24/7 tokenized securities venue. This is a coordinated institutional migration towards always-on blockchain-settled finance so that it is regulated money and not crypto speculation. The stakes go beyond speed. SWIFT's own Chief Business Officer, Thierry Kilosi, frames this as extending the same high levels of resiliency, security, and compliance global finance requires into tokenized value. This is a direct signal to stablecoin issuers that banks intend to compete, not concede, on 24/7 settlements. While the ledger is ready, the first transactions haven't happened yet. The execution will decide if this reshapes cross-border finance or joins a long list of pilots that never scaled.